Any mention? Item number 1.
I want to withdraw this petition, my lord. It is wrongly filed in here, my lord. So I may be given
civil court here at the district.
Yes, my lord. Liberty may be given, my lord.
Yes. There are many judgments, even of
Yes, yes, my lord.
Your name, please.
SK Medi. SK Medi.
MEDHI. For the appellant. Says that we know to withdraw the instant appeal. Liberty to file afresh before the correct forum. The civil argument by Mr. Pranogri for the respondent. Accordingly, the appeal stands disposed of as withdrawn forever with liberty as paid.
To file before appropriate court.
To file before appropriate court.
Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
May it please your lordships.
Yes, MS Arguru, what do you want?
Lordship, a week's time may be granted, your lordship.
You already haven't filed objections till now.
No, your lordship. We have sent it for signature, your lordship.
Who's for the? You're for the?
For the respondent, your lordship.
Where's the petitioner? We'll dismiss it. This is the third time. This is the third instance that is there's no representation on behalf of the appellant petitioner for the petitioner. Accordingly, the it is noted that there has been no appearance on behalf of the petitioner appellant since 19/6/2025, and today the third occasion when there is no representation. Accordingly, the appeal stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 3.
Very good.
Lordship, here we have filed a affidavit, your lordship.
Pleadings both that has completed. Okay, today can we dispose? I am ready for.
Lordship, we brief this
You're
matter.
ready, but you don't think about other people's convenience.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
From the permission from other side.
Yes.
Lordship, I brief this matter may be fixed for hearing on the next date fixed, your lordship.
MS Arguru submits that affidavit has been filed accordingly.
On 22nd of September this month.
Only some matter in the 4th week of September hearing.
Sir, after before puja that can be done. Sir.
Why you want before puja?
Yes, actually we have Navratri starts from 21st.
Okay, 4th week because puja starts on 28th.
So,
Right? No.
21st.
21st. Then why you want 22nd?
Actually 21st it starts. Should say
Then after puja.
Yes, my lord, that can be done.
They'll make it safe for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, okay.
Much more.
Any mention?
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, praying that we may be allowed to file bullet points with regard to WPC 146 of 2023.
146?
2023.
Which one is that?
Belakishan versus Nehu. It's not listed today, Your Lordship. The hearing has been concluded.
You want to give the judgment?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, want to file.
In fact, with Mr. Sen. In fact, yesterday I dictated the judgment. Only the last part remains. Anyway, okay.
Yes. Your Lordship.
Since Mr. Tiwari filed extensive, right? You and Mr. Tiwari? Yes. Oh, he didn't file? 146, by special mention, MS Ibla prays that she may be allowed to file bullet points on behalf of the respondent university. Though the matter has been reserved for judgment in interest of justice, the prayer is allowed. When will we file? Today?
Today, Your Lordship.
Allowed. We will file in the course of the day.
I'll oblige, Your Lordship.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention an unlisted matter for tomorrow, Your Lordship. There's some urgency. The link door under the Nobo Sophos aimship has been removed without being heard by the District Council, Your Lordship.
Aim removed also is still.
Not the same, the link door. There's an acting aim.
Who's the authority to remove link door?
It's the District Council, Your Lordship. But here without.
Not the same.
No, Your Lordship.
How?
They have forwarded the same to the District Council, Your Lordship, the complaint. So without any inquiry.
Unlisted motion.
Your Lordship, for tomorrow.
Yes, you serve notice on this council.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
First one is going item 32. In item 32, the rejoinder has been filed by the petitioner, my lord, and certain incorrect facts have been stated, my lord. I wanted
Your
to
Lordship.
find one supplementary affidavit.
What's the matter?
Your Lordship, this is the matter with regards to the construction of a road without tendering process and without following due process of law.
So you file incorrect affidavit.
No, Your Lordship, we filed a rejoinder confronting against their affidavit in reply, Your Lordship, and in the last date it was for hearing, Your Lordship.
Rejoinder, when the matter be fixed, we'll hear you. You want to fight something? We can't have a rejoinder to rejoinder.
No, I have, my lord, what has happened in rejoinder, the petitioner has stated that the project relating to some other project, photographs have been shown, my lord.
Your Lordship, it annex photographs of a similar project which is being held in another part within the Nongstoin itself, where we had shown how construction was carried out without due process of law.
So, okay, let them file. Let Archival General at the 1032 submits that as the petitioner submits that the petitioner and the rejoinder affidavit has included some
Photographs of another similar project, Your Lordship.
which the state respondent dispute. He prays are allowed to file a small additional affidavit to clarify the same. Prayers allowed.
Your Lordship, a short date maybe because in the last date it was supposed to be for hearing today, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
It pleases your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25 to 28. In this matter, there has been new development where in the month of August, there's a cabinet decision with regard to the...
Realization.
Yes, your Lordship.
What is the
Seen
Manju
before
pass for?
Yes, your Lordship. 25 to 28.
Last occasion they have prayed to file rejoinder.
Plus what, you see?
In the last order, they have prayed to file rejoinder.
Your Lordship, that is what, Your Lordship. We're placing the cabinet decision before, Your Lordship. We can modify the prayer accordingly.
Okay, after
Maybe
1
allowed
week.
2 weeks
After
time.
1 week or 2 weeks?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Please, Your Lordship.
You're the petitioner.
Your
Yes.
Lordship, item number 16 to 21 and 24 are connected matters, Your Lordship.
Okay, 16, 21.
And
16 to
24.
21.
Yes,
And
Your Lordship.
24.
And 24, Your Lordship.
But on a prayer of the petitioners to bring due to certain developments.
Certain times.
Yes.
Much obliged.
On the request, yeah, because on the request also matter the 2 weeks as it is submitted that some developments that might have a bearing on the outcome of the matter. Yes.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship.
The conducting counsel, Ms. N.G. Shilla, is having some difficulties today, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, let this matter taken up next week.
Objection?
Your Lordship. No objection, Your
No
Lordship.
objection. Otherwise, we can 1 week, okay.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why? They have some urgency, correct?
Your Lordship, they've been seeking for time all this while, Your Lordship.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Unending, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 29, 30 and 31, Your Lordship. The senior conducting counsel is on leave, Your Lordship.
Who's the senior conducting counsel?
Sir T. Dingdo
29, 30?
and 31, Your Lordship.
Lordship. For the
Yeah,
item,
objection?
no, Your Lordship.
Your item number what? Your item number, all of them?
29 and 30, Your Lordship.
29, 30, okay. What about 31? You inform the other side. After 1 week?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, after 2 weeks, you inform them. Inform the other, okay.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Pathak.
When I gave a notice, my lord, on March 2025, I was replied in May 2025, my lord, by Annexure 2, stating that my ACR APR benchmark is lacking. Against that, my lord, I had represented, my lord, on 12 June Annexure 3, which is duly forwarded at Annexure 4, page 25, my lord. But then no action has been taken thereon, my lord. At this stage, my lord, I am praying for consideration of my representation only.
Are they, why, they have not reconsidered at all? They have not taken your
No, my lord, no reply.
lacking ECR for which year? For which year lacking ECR?
My lord, they have not specified. They have only said that I lack SCR criteria, my lord.
Yes, Dr. Mozika.
I'll file affidavit.
Yes, heard Mr. B. Pathak issue notice. Dr. Mozika, LGSGI with so-and-so present. On behalf of spot number 3, no further notice required. Just after 2 weeks for instructions affidavit. We will dispose of this.
Similar 1 and 2.
1 and 2 same.
2 is same, my lord.
Item number 3.
Yes, yes.
Please, Your Lordship, respondent number 6, Lordship. We're supposed to file an affidavit. Give us 2 days. We'll file it on Wednesday. Let the matter come up. Let the matter come up after 1 week, Lordship.
How much will you pay?
Lordship,
You pay a
I've
cost.
only
You sought time and time again.
numerous time. I admit, Lordship.
Then,
I've
if you don't inflict any cost, then you'll not come up with the affidavit. Your
positive. Yes, good
you pay
village.
cost.
Lordship, I've only seek their apology that at least for this time,
You only sought the apology.
that please give me at least 2 days. I'll give them on Wednesday. Let it come after 1 week, Lordship. Positively, last chance.
No objection, Your Lordship.
No objection. Mr. S. Marpan, led counsel spot number 6, today again has prayed that further 2 days be given to be allowed for affidavit. It is noted that repeated apology has been granted,
Yes.
but since when? This is since March. No, before that. Since February 2025. So when is the after that filed within 2 days, the respondent number 6 shall pay a cost of shall be liable to pay cost. Yes.
Lordship,
An amount to be fixed on the next date.
Lordship, the interim order may continue.
Let it come after 1 week.
Order when he list after 1 week.
Lordship.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Since March, now September, does not file affidavit. Yes. Yes, Mr. Dr. Mozika, what are you going to do this matter? Why are you not filing affidavit?
Till now, the instructions, proper instructions haven't come.
What's your prayer?
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, during the pendency of this matter, my lord, they are clandestinely they are doing something against me, my lord.
Clandestinely?
Yes, they are doing something. My lord, I got one letter also from the office only, my lord.
Yes, Dr. Mozika, are you aware of this letter?
No.
How did he come in possession of this letter? Or copy was given to him? And he didn't give you instructions?
But actually, this unit is from Jakhama,
Then?
Nagaland, I think. But can't you give me another 10 days time?
Give 2 days time. Otherwise, we'll call this, who's this director contracts for chief engineer to be present.
No, this will be dealt with by garrison engineer in Jakhama. They came, but without any papers. Last week they came. But many matter, 2 matters also pending in the trial court, my lord. In the commercial
So,
court.
arbitrator.
No, there is some difficulty because what happened, my lord? At one point of time, arbitrator has already been appointed, my lord. Award has been passed, and they filed execution petition for that same contract, my lord. Now they're again asking for appointment of arbitrator, and what they told me that they have not even completed the work and they're asking for appointment of arbitrator. Second RR. Now this is fourth RR, my lord. Fourth RR. Running account report. This is the fourth running account. For every bill, they can't ask for appointment. My lord, dispute and differences going on there. That's why, my lord. Because I already executed the work, but they are not giving me the bill.
But is it before any arbitrator now?
Arbitrator already passed award.
No, it's only passed award.
My lord. The award already passed for the second RR.
So that means he gave an interim award?
No, my lord. This is for fourth RR, my lord. The second RR, that was very long time back, my lord. The second RR. For that, dispute and differences, my lord. Clarify, my lord. My lord, the rules or the contract provides that appointment of arbitrator can only on completion of the contract or termination of the contract. It cannot be for every bill. There cannot be an appointment of arbitrator.
No, then why do you agree to appoint an arbitrator?
So what happened, my lord? At one point of time, they stopped the work, abandoned the work. So we agreed to appointment of arbitrator, my lord. Now, in the meantime, they came and requested us to allow them to continue the work.
Award? Where's the award?
My lord, that time it was about termination, my lord.
No, where's the award of the arbitrator? If we see the work's been, it was abandoned and
No, my lord, that is second RR, my lord. Now, so I already executed the work. For every running account bill, my lord,
same work, not same work.
Same contract. Same work, my lord. That time I was about to terminate, my lord. But the thing is that again they gave me the work after passing the award, my lord.
Dr. Mozika, is very puzzling.
And that one also, my lord, pending. The award also is pending, my lord. These are highly litigious people, my lord. This contractor, the department told me that for every running account bill, they want an appointment of arbitrator, my lord. And without even completing the work, they want to survive on compensation only.
That's the business model.
That's the business model, my lord. I'll file an affidavit, my lord, because
no affidavit has been filed by the respondent stuff. Mr. H. Mia has produced a communication dated 4th September 2025 and submits that the respondents, while avoiding to file affidavit, are seeking to take some course of action against the petitioner. So, Dr. Mozika's submission submits to this also submits that he is not aware about the communication. He prays without further 2 days time to file affidavit.
2 days, 1 week's time, I'll call them and file affidavit.
File affidavit or to ensure the presence of an officer competent to answer the queries that are contained in the writ petition on the next date. Just after 2 weeks, yes. Otherwise, copy of the communication is taken on board with Parliament for this.
Item number 5.
Diploma.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, we have filed this application under section 11 for appointment of an arbitrator. I was awarded a contract for construction at Rangapahar in Dimapur. However, a lot of differences have arisen. There are disputes which would be subjected to an arbitrator. My application is limited under section 11, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here also the same difficulty, my lord. The contract has neither been terminated nor been completed. And while it is still pending, my lord, clause 70, if I just place clause 70 of the contract.
My lord, it will be found
Clause 70 is the general condition.
Yes,
that BCQ. What's it called?
My lord, page 515 of my petition is that clause. My lord, the issue here is, my lord, at page 567.
1 second.
Let's just
my lord.
But the proviso lordship will say, proviso lordship says, my lord, unless both parties agree. So work has either to be
But
complete.
the general terms in every contract is contained.
So my lord, here is the situation, my lord. We issued a notice of termination to them. Against that, they have gone to commercial court and obtained a stay, my lord.
My lord, my lord, at page number 567, annexure 43. My lord.
1 second. 567,
my lord.
What do you say there?
Page 43, this is the termination notice which was given to me, my lord.
So according to you, it's terminated.
My lord, I have gone to the commercial court with a limited prayer that there is a bank guarantee of mine which is with them. They might
Interim relief.
Only status quo, my lord, has been given, and my issue is with the bank guarantee. What I have prayed there also, my lord, pending constitution of
see, Dr. Mozika, just see page 566 and 567. Now 566, they say that the permanent bench arbitrator cannot be appointed at the stage since the works have been completed.
My lord.
Right. And what do you say in 567?
They have given me to terminate my contract.
Where? Which
It's a notice of termination only.
Yes.
My lord, page 568.
So have you answered to this?
My lord, we have come here
What steps have you taken?
My lord, we have come for
an appointment. Commercial court against this, my lord.
That means you consider your contract cancelled.
No, my lord,
So what is your stand, Mr. Gera?
My lord, my stand in the commercial court primarily is to secure my bank guarantee.
Forget the bank guarantee. That's a supplementary proceeding which you've initiated.
My lord.
What have you done with regard to this 21st July 25 letter?
There's a status quo order by court, my lord. We understand that the status quo means this so-called notice has been
No, if an affidavit will pass orders.
My lord.
My lord. My lord, I only want the appointment of an arbitrator for the adjudication of the dispute.
It's not a simple matter that the work's complete, the bills are pending, that you made the request, it's been refused. It's not a case.
My lord, we have made several requests for appointment of an arbitrator.
Yes. Dr. Mozika prays for allowed for 2 weeks time to file affidavit. They expect next year after it should be on board.
Yes.
Bring on record all the what are the proceedings, other proceedings,
my lord,
which have a bearing on the matter which are pending before the commercial court. Yes.
My lord, the commercial court proceedings were started after we have filed the application here. My lord, my end aim is for an appointment of an arbitrator to adjudicate the dispute.
Understand, but
the
first thing is that there should be a clear cut. Like shouldn't be that it's still pending that you're seeking. There has to be a determination, or when you agree also that yes, both parties agree that yes, nothing remains. Only recourse is we go for arbitration or conciliation.
Yes. My lord, I'll also seek instruction in that case on the matter.
Yes, you take instruction. That you are at liberty to.
My lord.
You don't need order of the court for that.
My lord.
Item number 6.
My lord.
Dispose of free.
Yes, my lord. Affidavit, they have not yet filed.
Not yet filed.
No, it won't file. It's not necessary. Mr. Sheikh, today is the 8th. So
Yes.
Mr. Sheikh has till Thursday to demit office.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, the second part, my lord, in the impugn order.
Even the petitioner also.
My lord, yes, my lord. We are not agreed actually with the appointment, my lord. The impugn order speaks about the second part, the creation of Chor Batapara, which is the private respondent was appointed. My lord, as per the annexure 4, my lord, in my writ petition, the order which was created long before was my lord revoked by the order passed by the Honorable High Court, my lord. Which is why, my lord, there is no, and second argument is, my lord, the
There's two parts, my lord, what I understand from the claim and counterclaim. One is the appointment, my lord.
Yes,
of
my
the
lord.
private respondent. Other is the creation of the village, my lord,
Village,
new
my
village.
lord. Yes, correct.
Now, for creation of the new village, my lord, a record has to be examined, my lord. But the first part, my lord, has it become infructuous now, my lord?
Yes, my lord.
No, the thing is that his case is that Haribanga 1 and 2 and the other village was a village
Chorbatapara, my lord.
One is should be under one Gangpura.
Yes, my lord.
Now what they've done, he is still remaining as Haribanga, but they've given Mr. Sheikh
Chorbatapara.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. That is my only grip. No, my lord, the district council, my lord,
Can this court sit and say whether an absolute exigency, whether is correct to to put under different jurisdiction,
my lord,
or put some new
my lord,
Gangpura there?
yes, my lord. My lord, in case of my lord creation of new village or separation of one village from another village, the district council, no doubt, my lord, the district council has the power. But the power, my lord, the notification, my lord, my lord, notification has to be issued, my lord, in that regard. But in this instant case, there was no notification, only an order, my lord, whereby simply Chorbatapara was separated and created, separated from Haribanga 1 and 2.
Correct. As per your 1994 is created as a separate village.
My lord, which is why Annexure 4, the order passed by the secretary to the from the respondent office, my lord, at Annexure, my lord, kindly have Annexure 4, page 26, my lord. Page 26, my lord.
This is 1994, correct? Or no,
2007 order, my
my
lord. My lord, if I am allowed to read, my lord, may I read?
Yes.
Yes. In pursuance of the Honorable Guwahati High Court Order Shillong Bench dated 6/2/2007, the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Tura is pleased to revoke the office order number 365 dated 13/6/2007, office order number 229 dated 15/1/1994, in which Chorbatapara was separated from Haribanga and Shri Bozulul Haq, son of so-and-so, was appointed as Gangpura of Chorbatapara, and office order number 381 dated 7/7/2004, in which Shri Mojibur Rahman, son of so-and-so of Haribanga, was appointed as Gangpura of the village. Accordingly, Shri Abdul Sattar, son of so-and-so of Haribanga, is hereby reappointed. My lord, this is the order, my lord, whereby the three orders were revoked in pursuance to the order passed by the Honorable High Court, Shillong Bench, my lord. After this, my lord, the district council respondents had appointed the private respondent in violation of that order, my lord. The private respondent as the Gangpura of Chorbatapara. My lord, thereafter, my lord, kindly have page 29, another annexure 6, my lord, page 29.
To that 28, page 28 is important.
My lord, yes, my lord, I'll come to that, my lord. Yes. This is the prayer of the some villagers from the same village to the district council for creation of the Chorbatapara, separate village. May I read, my lord? Decision of the executive committee regarding the creation of the Gangpura at Chorbatapara. With reference to the subject cited above, I am to inform you that the executive committee of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Tura, has decided not to consider your prayer for creation of Gangpura at Chorbatapara in the meeting held on 1/12/2001 in view of the public complaint, my lord.
This is 16 December 21.
16 December 2021. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner filed another writ petition, my lord. We are aggrieved with the creation and separation of Chorbatapara, which is, my lord, in violation of the order, my lord.
One thing, Mr. Day, you can't address this matter.
We can definitely.
You can't take a flip-flop stand.
No,
one
I totally agree.
Reject,
I totally agree.
Then again, another one you appoint.
No, until unless, my lord.
Clarity, that's
we can take a fresh call.
Yeah, take a definite.
We'll take a fresh call,
my lord, which is why my lord, a concrete decision has to be come out.
What about his now? Who will be now? You want to take charge of the dead village also, right?
My lord, my grievance is the three villages are in the same, my lord.
My lord,
who will be appointed as the Gangpura? That is the prerogative of the GHADC.
District Council may take a fresh call in the meantime that the status quo to be maintained. Whatever may be till the outcome of the action taken by
no,
the
my lord. No, my lord. The problem is this: today early morning I have talked to the secretary. They are not in a position to take out a file. That is why I mean.
Yeah, we understand.
Yes,
My lord, some time may be given, they'll bring out with the records, my lord, regarding.
But then he'll have no renewal also because 11/9 his
My lord,
term is over.
my lord, both the Gaumburas are ceased to exist now because of the impugn order's term is for the 6 months.
He also
I'm not of them. My only grievance is in the future, my family.
So we'll keep your case alive another
My lord.
1 month. Let's see what happens.
My lord, my lord, my lord, my lord,
Yes,
my lord.
Yes.
Mr. S. Day, Bennett Counsel for the District Council respondents submits that due to the ongoing crisis in the GHADC, he has been unable to obtain full instructions to file the affidavit. So he further submits that the situation as it pertains today is that both the petitioner, who is the Gaumbura of Haribanga, right?
1 and 2.
Haribanga 1 and 2.
And
Private
respondent number 4, who is the Gaumbura of
Choravatabara.
is the term is to expire on 11/9/2025. He submits that perhaps the status quo may be passed so that the villagers do not suffer in the absence of Gaumbura till other developments take place.
My lord.
Mr. S.K. Hassan for the petitioner and Mr. S.A. Sheikh for the respondent number 4 also concurred the submission. Accordingly, in view of the submissions and of the land councils for the parties, list this matter after 6 weeks. It's expected on the next day that affidavit should be on board and further orders can be passed in the matter. In the interim, is further provided that status quo shall be maintained
Till the next day.
to the administration of wages under the respective Gauburas until further orders.
My lord.
Hello.
Item number 7.
Yes, on Samsung.
Yes.
Yes.
May please your lordship, I need at least 4 weeks time to give the counter affidavit.
What's the matter about?
My lord, this is a matter for the cantonment board where my permission to re-erect, construct was denied, my lord.
That was denied in 2019.
Then it lapses after 1 year. Any permission?
My lord, we had after that approached the lower court for suit, and then we have come back to the court, my lord. There it was withdrawn.
So when can you file affidavit, Mr. Man?
4 weeks time needed.
4 weeks time?
No, because the army is also involved in this case, but they have not made army a party.
My lord, we have only challenged the resolution of the board, who is authorized as per law.
Yes, Mr. S.P. Mahanta learned senior counsel with so and so on behalf of the. There's only one respondent.
My lord.
On behalf of the
sole respondent.
Sole respondent, praise may allowed 3 weeks further time to file affidavit. So, if praise allowed, yes, after 3 weeks is.
Much over.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we have received instruction. We would like to file the affidavit, your lordship.
Only government respondents here?
Lordship.
No other, no private respondents?
No, your lordship.
Yes, and in July with so. Then he gives something. Therefore, allowed.
There will be 3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks time?
Lordship.
To file affidavit, yes.
Highly apply, your lordship.
Item number 9.
Section I. Yes, sir.
Well, I've been instructed to appear in this matter. I think my learned friend was to place certain instructions before this honorable court, as per the order dated 2/9/2025.
What instructions have you brought?
But here what happened was the commandant, who is the petitioner, my lord, and there is a 2IC who is just next to the commandant, my lord. There is a constant infighting between these two of them, my lord, and which is affecting the morale and the functioning of the, my lord,
Between the commandant and the second in
and
charge.
the second in command, my lord. So
On what?
That's not the correct fact. Let my learned friend
The
complete.
learned just
I'll
complete.
place it before your lordship.
But if I may just refer to brief instructions on page 2.
Yes.
Para 2, my lord, the Inspector General Northeast Sector so-and-so had intimated that many instances of interpersonal conflict between Sri Sunil Kumar Savita, who is the petitioner here, my lord, and Sri Sanjeev Kumar, second in command of 67 Battalion Shillong, have come to notice despite continuous counselling by so-and-so, but there is no improvement in the situation. Hence, IGN is recommended that due to extremely strained relationship between the commandant and second in command, leading to a lot of negativity in the battalion, both officers be transferred out of 67 Battalion as soon as possible.
Yes.
On receipt of the report against the petitioner, the matter was examined in the directorate after considering all the aspects of the case in order to maintain good discipline and morale of Jawans of 67 CRPF as well as administrative and operational requirement of the force. Accordingly, he has been transferred to RTC Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and Sri Sanjeev Kumar so-and-so transferred to 78 CRPF on administrative ground, reasons by this so-and-so. So that is the sum and substance of the matter, my lord. That for administrative reasons, they have been transferred, my lord.
Yes.
And the rules which they placed in the reports, my lord, I pointed out that there is
5B.
5B, my lord, page 20 of the writ petition.
Yes, I mean due to official reason.
That my lords have already indicated in the earlier order.
So no right is created in favor of anyone, my lord. So that being the situation, it was necessary to transfer them, and action has been taken accordingly.
No, but as per the report, you didn't wait for the. You didn't wait for
P my lords to be completed.
Not pre-inquiry. You had requested personal audience with the Director General also.
Yes, my lords.
But then he said before that even could be processed, you have come to court.
My lords, that is because a transfer order is issued, my lords, and it has to be given effect within 20 days. Now, the difficulty is here, my lords, and I quite bow down. The writ petition before my lords is very sketchy.
Yes.
Complete facts have not been brought about. What had actually happened is, my lords, this second IC, my lords, he is, my lords, to least put it, is mentally, my lords, a little unstable. That I am not saying, my lords, the battalion doctor has said. Now, I am the commandant of the battalion, my lords. I am required to furnish reports to the higher-ups, reporting whatever has happened. That I did. I basically, my lords, whatever the reports of the doctors, my lords, saying that he is mentally unstable, has been forwarded. Now, taking advantage of this, my lords, some anonymous email had been written as against me, which has now resulted in a punitive transfer order.
What email?
Well, it's
not on record.
They will be in a better position to say that, but we are that record is available with me, my lords. I can point out there is no question of infighting, and what is pointed out in paragraph 2, my lords, that my lords, he is my subordinate. Where is the question of any infighting? What I only submit before my lords is, my lords, because I have these documents here before me, unfortunately they are not part of the record. And these are, my lords, official records. These are not any confidential documents.
We will not willing.
My lords, in transfer matters, my lords, the scope is otherwise also very limited. No, but it's otherwise also very limited. But the fact of the matter remains, my lord, this aspect, if I have to buttress my case on the basis of, my lord, saying that if I am the complainant.
Will you file after by tomorrow?
By tomorrow, my lord. We'll do it by today, my lords. My lords may kindly take it up by tomorrow. So these documents are on record before my lords. And I can point out from these documents, my lords, this gentleman, this second IC, my lords, he's suicidal. Now the doctor says, my lords, he's suicidal. Now if I'm forwarding that report, can that be considered a case of infighting as against me? And can I be, my lords, penalized for that?
There's no penalizing, my lord. Transfer is a noble incident.
So, yes.
Para 2 says, my lords, is penalizing.
Today has produced set instructions.
He's not been demoted or anything, but he's transferred in the same post.
Official session indicating the reasons for the transfer of the petitioner. Mr. K-Paul, however, believe we engage a senior counsel submits that he may be allowed to file additional affidavit in support of his petition in the course of the day.
Bringing certain documents on record.
This is the matter tomorrow for the orders.
Yes. Highly obliged. Okay. My lords would be making this as part of the record, my lords. The instructions, please.
Yes, we'll make part of the record.
Let it be part of the record, my lords, so that the formality of affidavits can be avoided.
It is post the record, the instructions dated 4th September 2025, which were produced which have been produced by the DSCI is taken on board and made part of the records.
My affidavit can then deal with this also. That's the only
Item number 10.
My lord, we're waiting affidavit from the NMC in this
Sorry,
matter.
NMC affidavit has not come. But the college has filed an affidavit, your lordship can take cognizance and dispose the matter.
Dispose the matter.
Seats have been reduced from 150 to 100.
Yes. As submitted by the parties, that penal action has since been taken by the NMC, and in the form of suits being reduced for the current academic year.
Not only current, future also. It appears to be
100 for future also.
For one academic year.
For one academic year. For the next academic year.
May I humbly submit to Lordship?
Yes, come.
May I humbly submit to Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this document which my learned friend is referring to, this is issued by NMC to USTMA, Lordship. This needs to be brought on record. Why I say so, may I read, your Lordship?
It is on record by affidavit of the college one.
It is kindly. I have not been given a copy. Lordship, kindly come to para 6. It's on the second page. This is a letter issued to the Dean of P.A. Sangma International Medical College by the Director of UGMEB. Lordship, I'm reading para 6. In addition to the deficiencies mentioned above, it has been noted by the Commission that your college has been allegedly involved in violations of NMC norms and decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court with regard to counseling process, as well as per the following details. The National Medical Commission has received notice of a petition filed by 13 MBBS students admitted under the management quota at your college for the academic year 2024-25. In this matter, pending before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the petitioners have challenged the orders of Government of Meghalaya, Health and Family Welfare dated 8/11/24 and 9/11/24 issued to your college. After the admission process, 13 state quota seats, that is 11 Garo and 2 SCOST, remained vacant. PIMC filled these seats under the management quota, contravening NMC norms and guidelines issued by Medical Counseling Committee MCC. Later, the Government of Meghalaya, by its order, directed your college to cancel these admissions, refund fees, and reallocate the seats to eligible state candidates. Instead of complying, your college retained the original 13 seats and additionally admitted 13 more under the state quota, resulting in a total of 163 admissions, exceeding the sanctioned limit of 150 MBBS seats. As per the consensual agreement dated 28/10/24 between the Government of Meghalaya and your college, the admission and fee structure for AY 2024-25 was set. A government notification dated 30/10/24 allotted 150 MBBS seats as follows. NRI quota 23 seats, state quota 64 seats, Garo 26, Khasi Jaintia 26, General 9, SCOST 3, includes reservation under RPWD Act 2016, and management quota 63 seats. In the light of the persistent and unaddressed deficiencies observed during assessment, and despite prior intimation and ample opportunity granted for rectification, the college has failed to meet the minimum standards as stipulated under the MSMER 2023 regulations.
Yes.
So, Lordship, in view of that, the seats have been reduced. Now, Lordship,
your case will take it up. Your case will take consideration. Also, we'll close this in the meanwhile. Yes.
So, Lordship, I am only praying that this be brought, because
it's already on record, I think, in your case.
We have not been served with copy, Lordship.
In your case, I think. In the next petition.
We have not received, your Lordship. So, we may kindly be served with a copy.
In item number,
In our matter, we have not been served, so as such, I was.
It's not been served.
Number 10 will be disposable.
So, this may be served, your Lordship, and our matter may be taken up tomorrow, your Lordship.
You serve the affidavit, Mr. Khan, to all the parties. Yes, sir.
No, we have not received, your Lordship.
With NMC, National Medical Council. Yeah. But regard reduction in seat, nothing remains consideration in the present petition, and the same is closed and disposed of. Yes. The next matter, MSA Paul Leonard Senior Counsel submits that the affidavit of the respondents now 5 and 6. 6 and 5 and 6, 6 and 7. 6, 7 is yet to be received. Only a copy may be handed over to her in the course of the day. This is a matter the after tomorrow
Obliged.
for further consideration.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply.
Item 11.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, in item 11, 12 and 13, your Lordship, we have received instruction, your Lordship. We would like to verify the names, your Lordship. We need some time, your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Alice? He's here. So you've taken steps. You file FIR in those people.
Lordship, I have went to the video office. They refused to take the complaint.
Why?
Then
You file a complaint. You know that he's been listed as a masturul and as a job card holder also. Yes.
I think it has been accepted.
How can an advocate of the court be listed as a job card
Lordship,
holder?
we have the instruction. We'll verify, your Lordship. We'll see.
Mr. Shula is very serious.
Lordship, certainly, your Lordship. Lordship, as per the instruction, it is seen that his
We
name
said
has...
immediate instructions.
It has
What are the instructions they received?
just this morning only, your Lordship.
The kind of verification they do. How many years you practice now in Shillong?
almost 7 years.
Then?
I went to file the complaint also. They refused to take.
You file an affidavit.
You file an
Bring on
affidavit.
record. Mr. Andy Shulai, you want what? 1 week's more further time?
Let it be 2 weeks, your Lordship.
Mr. Shulai, you can't take it lightly. You can't now prepare the records.
No, I'm not.
We'll ask for immediate seizure of the records.
I'm not. We are not preparing the record, your Lordship.
No, but I see I need to bring it to Shillong.
We are not preparing the record. Just
No, it's
what
why
are
is
the-
asking for time?
Lordship will check because so many names here, your Lordship. We have
No,
got so.
about his name. How did it happen?
Lordship will say like this, your Lordship.
And where did the money go to? That means his whatever wages he's entitled to must be going somewhere. Very absurd situation.
Lordship, kindly allow us a week's time, Lordship will. $2,794 has been.
No, we want to know about his particular case. How can he be
that your Lordship, that Lordship explanation has been called from the DENA secretary, your Lordship. This has been.
Soon Mr. Sheikh, Mr. Hassan come that area, all
Lordship, yes.
listed as job card holders.
His name has already been deleted, your Lordship. Then
Deleted because
the report has been called, your Lordship, from the BEC.
It's really absurd.
Kindly a week's time only, your Lordship. A week's time only.
Though this court by order dated 19/8/2025 had sought for immediate instructions from the officer concerned, that is the block drawn officer Selsela Sinadi block, West Garden district. Then Advocate General Leonard AAG today, Mr. Andy Shulai, Mr. Andy Shulai Leonard AAG today has prayed for further 1 week's time. So this court is unable to understand as to the situation that is prevailing, in as much as the advocate concerned, Shri R.H. Alice, who is present in court today,
I personally went on 5th of September.
submits that he had personally gone to the office of the BDO to lodge a complaint and a representation with regards to inclusion, but the same was refused to be acknowledged or accepted. So the block branch officer directed to appear personally on the next date. This after 1 week positively. What is happening is like the whole VC will go then.
It's very unfortunate.
15.
Apply, your Lordship.
Hearing
Hearing 15.
matter was heard on the last occasion, my lord. My lord is directed to seek instruction by the respondent. My lord,
What's the matter
my lord, this regard to promotion of the petitioner to constitute a DPC to consider the case of the petitioner.
Yes, Dr. Mozika.
My lord, may kindly see the order dated 1/8/2025.
1/8. Yes. Any initiation of any
It's not, my lord, I only have a WhatsApp communication. My lord, if Lordship gives me 3 days time, I'll file an affidavit. It only
What
says,
does it say?
it says, my lord, I'm directed to state that Nectar has not initiated the recruitment process against the vacant post of senior geomatics
When are you going
officer.
to initiate the process?
As per the decision of the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, Nectar will take further steps in this matter. It doesn't mean anything. I'll have proper instruction. I'll file an affidavit. 3 days time.
This matter can be disposed of even if this is the instructions. I think well, it's the
not done anything, so
department wants to well, it's some orders to flow from my lords. There's very limited prayer. If my lords kindly have a look at page 19.
Bring that instructions, type it out.
Well,
we'll sit down tomorrow. Yes, Dr. Mozika submit the instructions received are eligible. If he is allowed to file to present a type copy next date.
Till Friday. I'll file proper till Friday. Friday.
Well, may I then pray? Let it be on Monday next.
We'll dispose it up with direct mail. They'll fill it up within.
Well, it's only consider convener DPC. Well, if I am eligible, then it'll be Monday next.
Right. We can't direct for promotion.
No, that's not my prayer also. Yes. I am only saying if I am eligible, let the DPC be convened.
22.
Yes.
I'm praying for an accommodation, my lord. Conducting counsel, Mr. Hassan, has some personal difficulty. Matter may be taken up tomorrow, subject to your lordship's convenience.
You prepared today?
My lord, yes, my lord, but I also need some time if it is.
To prepare some more?
Yeah, my lord. Yes, my lord.
What is Mr. M.U. Ahmed? Pray some accommodation with the assistant guarding counsel. List after 1 week.
My lord. I'll obey.
23.
For 23, I'm praying for some time, but I could not have instructions on this.
What is this matter about? Pension?
This matter, Lordship, yes, my husband was drawing the pension. Then subsequently, after the death of my husband, then subsequently I was receiving the pension till July.
Only who is Treasury Officer, correct? That is from Garo Hills.
Treasury Officer, Lordship, now the department willing to...
Will dispose it of next date?
Yes, Lordship.
Will dispose next date?
If I may submit,
yes.
We have received a copy of the forwarding
notification.
Yes, my lord, which has been sent by the defense account, my lord. I've gone through this letter, my lord. If my lord may have the letter, my lord, the third paragraph of the letter is still speaking about. There is no denial that the petitioner is
entitled.
My lord,
no, the entitlement. So only things to iron out the differences.
Yes. The only issue which again they are saying is that there was no joint notification and LTA claim, my lord, in the report office. In our affidavit, we have specifically make a comment that no further, no additional withdrawal of pension has been made since the death of the husband. And my lord, we have also, even a data has been enclosed in my affidavit. So my lord, I do not understand why again they're going back the same thing when we have actually, but my lord, one thing is that it could be, my lord, we have brought in the affidavit, however, at the time of forwarding, it may not have been forwarded. That can be.
You give me a copy of the affidavit.
So that
I'll send
you
it.
don't have copy of the affidavit?
No, sir.
You kindly get the instructions. Today also, Leonard, Dr. Mozika, Leonard TSGI, who is appearing for the Army Medical for the Controller Defense Accounts Pension and the Records Officer Army Medical Corps, raised that we have been recently increased respondent's number.
That's different.
They impeded as respondent's number
6, 7 and 8.
6, 7 and 8. Space for 1 week further time to obtain instructions. It is noted that in this matter, the entitlement of the writ petitioner to the family pension is not in question, but but it appears that the same has been hampered due to procedural deficiencies.
Yes.
Though MSR Colony submitted that the required joint notification is called.
That is the objection raised by the.
That has already been done, Lord.
Here.
That's been
Though
done.
the formalities are,
That's been done.
though MSR Colony submits that, no, stop. MSR Colony, however, submits that all the required formalities have since been complied with. However, as complete instructions yet to be received by the JGI, list this matter up to 2 weeks as a fixed matter, which should be expected to be disposed on the day itself.
My Lord.
That's all. No other hearing matters. Very unfortunate.